at the moment I'm here in they call it atrium, like all-purpose hall. Yeah, I'm going to do some editing. I'm actually charging my bike battery, and I'm waiting for my cappuccino. Yeah, good morning guys. Yeah, at the moment I'm here in the tent inside. The length of this tent is just right for my height. I'm actually touching my head to the to the here, and to the tip of my, you see, yeah, my height is exactly the length of the tent. And I'm with my sleeping bag. This sleeping bag is good. Yeah, this is coming from Kmart, but I'm satisfied with it. Eh, it feels warm. Yeah, so if it's cold in the night, you don't feel cold because you are fully covered with this sleeping bag. It's nice. And this in this pillowcase, $3, also from Kmart. The tent is coming from Big W, but they also have in Kmart $12. This one from Big W is $14. I don't know if you can hear, but there's so many birds outside. Eh, look at this. It's wet. There's a moisture. This is the moist coming from the mist of the night, the moist of the night. There was no rain. It's good. And let's check if our bike is still outside. Dun 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 dun. Okay, the bike is still there. Look outside. This is how it is. They have their car. They have that caravan. Look how small is my tent in there compared to the caravan that they have. So basically this space is the space for one unit. That cost me $45. I forgot. Yeah, powered site. There are some sites that are not powered. They are cheaper. And that is my mistake for taking the powered site, because yeah, I didn't use the power, because I charged my bike in the cafeteria. My mobile phone, I charged it there. So next time when I'm going to check in a campsite like this, I will just choose the unpowered site. Yeah, we're just going to roam around because I'm waiting for the tent to get dry. Because it is wet from the mist of the night. Yesterday I've seen some kangaroos. Yeah, they are roaming around here. There is actually that one. He's standing there just like looking at me. This one is small. They are very much used to people, so they don't really run when they see people. And look at this again. There are two kangaroos here. Maybe a mother and a son or a daughter. Yeah, nice. There is another one there. Yeah, kangaroos is part of this caravan park. They have a swimming pool here, and they have this gaming area. Inside is like the cafeteria, also a place to cook, and a restaurant. I think the restaurant is now open. We're going to have a breakfast. Yeah, that's one of the music that I always like to hear. Yeah, we never talk about it. Something like that. Phil Collins? I'm not sure. It's so good. Yeah, I just finished my breakfast. It's just bacon and egg roll, a cappuccino, and I'm editing some video. Yeah, we're now going back to the tent. I think it's dry already. The time now is 9:30. The same like hotels. Check out in the place like this is 10 o'clock. So that's it. So basically inside there are my clothes, food, and tools. In here is sleeping package. And in my backpack is just my gadgets. Yeah, at the moment there is a temporary traffic lights. I don't know, maybe there is construction going on in there. So we follow the rules even if we are in the bike. Now it's go. We also go. A short one way. They need to put traffic lights. We are at the moment in this rest area along the Pacific Highway near to the Grafton. I was coming from this side, Arawara, and I am now here like maybe I don't know how many hours to be in Grafton. Grafton is like another town here in New South Wales, but I'm not going there anymore. I will go straight to somewhere in Maclean. And then another long way to go to Brisbane. I have like 5 days or 5 days because Ronald is waiting for me. Okay, that's it for this place. We are going now again. Keep on riding. Look at this, another caravan is coming. They have a nice bike. Oh, their bike is also electric bike. I'm seeing a lot of people having electric bike these days. Yeah, it is raining again. I need to wear the rain trouser and the rain jacket. Okay, we keep on going. We are now in the entrance of Grafton. I actually missed the turn, the road heading to Maclean. That's why we end up here. Yeah, that I think I'm going to stay for one night here in the city of Grafton, and then I'm actually planning to take the train from here all the way to Byron Bay, because I am seeing that the rest of the town along the way is just a small town, and yeah, I think so. There is a red road here. Look at the color of my skin. Yeah, the hand is darker and this one is whiter. Yeah, because it is covered by the jacket, by the sleeve. We are now in the residential area of Grafton. Grafton from the place where I came from is around 60 kilometers, and I traveled it for around 10, 11, 12, around 3 hours, and I am running at a normal speed of 15 to 20 kilometers per hour. That's relaxed and easy. Some parts of the Pacific Highway has small side wings, and they're scary to bike. There are still a lot of big vehicles, trucks. We are now near to McDonald's. We are going to eat something, burger, chicken, soft drinks. Yeah. I had my breakfast. My breakfast is bacon and egg roll. You know, oh, there is one guy sleeping there. Look at that. A homeless guy. Yeah. If you come to Sydney, there are many homeless people there. They choose to stay on the street. Should I eat McDonald's? Oh, I am in the wrong way. I don't know if we're going to eat in Hungry Jack's or McDonald's. I don't know. I don't think I'll be able to eat in McDonald's because the McDonald's here is in the second floor and I will not be able to monitor my bike if I am on the second floor. Yeah, so we're not going to eat there. We maybe are going to Hungry Jack. And we are at the moment here at the Grafton train station. Yeah, we're going to book for you know, a ride going to Byron Bay. I choose Byron Bay because this is one of the major places in Australia.